Welcome to today's video. We're going to do a simple routine to ease morning tightness, and we'll be working specifically on the hip joints, spinal joints, and shoulder joints, the parts where we feel tight easiest when we wake up first thing in the morning. Have your legs wider than hip width apart, and keep the outer edges of your feet parallel if possible. Stretch both arms out and gently just rotate your torso from one side to another. Your pelvis will follow along and rotate a little bit, but just make sure it's not so much that you start bending the legs. We want the legs to be as straight as possible. So as you rotate to the right, make sure your left leg remains straight. Likewise, when you rotate to the left, make sure your right leg remains straight. From there, bring your arms up and slowly just feel like your fingers are reaching out to the sky, palms face forward, arching the spine a little bit. And from there, you're going to keep your arms up and start rotating from one side to another, keeping your spine slightly arched so that your chest is open, and stretch out your underarm area as much as possible. Keep your shoulders down. And look up to the sky, opening up your chest here. Arms remain straight if possible. And slowly come back to looking front. And gradually bring your arms down. Interlace your fingers, palms forward. And bring it up. Palms face the sky or the ceiling, looking up. Arching the spine here. And then slowly rotate from one side to another, keeping your palms facing up if possible, your elbows straight as much as you can. Rotating your torso from side to side. Then looking up again, arching the spine here. Slowly bring the arms down. Interlace your fingers. Palms face down. Straightening your elbows as much as possible. Arching the spine here. Chest up. Your gaze is diagonally up. Straightening the arms. Elbow straight. I'm showing you from the back here. So you can see the palms face back and down as much as you can. And then from there, keeping your elbows straight, palms facing back and down. Rotate your torso gently from side to side here. So like the opening, your pelvis will follow along. That's okay, as long as your legs remain as straight as possible. Now bring your legs as wide as your mat. Slowly start to arch forward more, and slowly as you bend down, your arms will start to face the sky, keeping your elbows as straight as possible. Now looking in between your thighs. Feel like you're reaching your arms up to the sky, belly scooped in. And slowly leading with the arms, let the arms pull your shoulders, your spine back. As a result, your body comes up. No strain on the lower back. Let's do it again. Extend the shoulders back as much as possible. Straightening your arms, your elbows. Now you can do it like me. Bring the arms up and down. That will actually lengthen out the arms even more. Check that while your spine is arched, your ribs are not pushing forward. They are lifted upwards. Slowly feel like you can roll the shoulders back more and more, extending your arms back, elbows becoming straighter. And then when you're ready, bend forward, keeping your pelvis right in line with your ankles. Try not to shift your weight too far back. Scoop your belly in. Slowly, as your spine goes down, you look in between your thighs. Your arms will be facing up the sky. Slowly come up, leading with the arms. Let the arms come back, kind of like pulling your shoulders up. Your head follows and your whole spine and pelvis just go along. Now from here, reach your palms downwards here. Come to a deep arch, looking straight up to the sky. And again, curling back down. Keeping your legs as straight as possible, because that is the better way to feel stable with your legs supporting you. Hang in there for a few more seconds or a few more counts. Slowly let your arms lead you back. Let your arms pull you back. And then reach your palms down. Chest facing up, arching, looking up. Loosen up the wrist a little bit, ease out your elbows, swing it a little bit. Keeping your legs wide. Lean forward and just let your arms hang there. Supporting, using your legs to support your weight so that your lower back is free. Gently just shift your weight a little bit back and forth. Counting on your legs for support, that means the legs have to stay absolutely strong here. Holding the body weight as it shifts back and forth. Interlace your fingers and continue to shift back and forth here. Make sure that your body is not curled too far down. You're actually quite high up with your spine so that your lower back is protected at this angle, moving only from the leg muscles. Bend forward and start to fold from the hips on one side, followed by the other. Spiraling your spine at the same time as you fold the hips. As a result, your body will lean into the bent knee a little bit, and that's what we want. So if you're leaning into the right, your left leg has to work quite hard to support you, and vice versa. When you lean into your left, your right leg has to work quite hard to support you. Engaging your inner thigh, your quads, and your hamstrings here. Doing this slowly. Bend the elbows as you spiral the spine to one side as you lean into the bent knee. Continue with the same movement, but this time see if you can bring your arm up so it is one vertical line almost to the arm that is reaching down to the floor. Continue to spiral your spine. Continue with the hip folding and the bent knee here. The only difference is the upper arm opens up straight, fingers to the sky. Spiraling the spine while shifting your weight from one side to another, challenging the leg to support you as you keep shifting. Slowly bend your knees so that you can curl yourself up easier. And that is all I have for today's Ease Morning Tightness video. And let me know how you feel in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. Else, I'll see you again very soon in the next video. If you like the way I do mobility routine, do like, share, subscribe, and I would appreciate it very much if we can work together to grow my channel, because I love to do more mobility moves, and your support will really encourage me to keep on creating more mobility moves repertoire. Keep moving, keep getting better. Our body loves it when we move. We are born to move. And I'll see you again very soon in the next video.